an oat straw tisane. Welcome. In today's video, I want to share one of my quickest beauty hacks that every girl needs. Sometimes there is no time to get a manicure, but the hands need to look good. Welcome. My name is Ijeoma. I'm a beauty lover, a skincare influencer, a pro makeup artist, and a woman of a certain age. And I feel like all those things give me an authority to do what I'm doing on my channel. So this beauty hack, it is one of the quickest ways that I know to get my hands looking very decent, soft, moisturized, and they look like I have sat in the salon for an hour. This is such an important tool in my beauty regimen that I had to share it with you guys. At the end of the day, beauty does not have to take hours. Sometimes it needs to take minutes. So let's get into the video. Let me show you how I get my hands super soft, super beautiful in just under 10 minutes.
Of course, we start with our hands. First things first, if you need to, file your nails, give them a bit of shape, make sure you take away any uneven edges, be quick about it. We've got underneath 10 minutes. Let's not forget that. The next step is to exfoliate the hands. Take a teaspoon of sugar, some oil. Here I'm using olive oil. And you're just going to mix those two in the palms of your hands and give your hands a really good rub. Apply as much pressure that you can handle. Why I do this is I want to really plump up my hands. I want to invigorate my hands. I want to encourage blood circulation. I want to really exfoliate my hands and just make them look as soft and feel as soft as possible. Don't forget to focus on your cuticles. The cuticles do get dry. They do sell you out when your hands are looking a little bit neglected. So focus on your cuticles. Don't forget your wrists. Focus on them. They're also a part of your hands. Just give them a good whirl. I then grab my hand wash. I'm currently using this one from Rituals, and yes, I don't rinse off my scrub. I first put my hand wash into my hands and I start to work it in. This just continues to break down the oil and the sugars into my skin and just continues to do that beautiful work. As you can see, it forms up into a lovely creamy wash simply because of the oil. It just bumps it up. And now I am taking away the sugary mess I've just made. Do you see why I lay down a towel? And look at my rinsed hands. Glowy, plumped, juicy, stunning. And now towel off the excess moisture from the water. And now for the fancy bits. You can absolutely use any products that you want. The ones that I'm currently using in this video are going to be linked down in the description box down below. But after exfoliating and washing your hands, go in with a toner. Use whatever toner you have in your cupboard. This just adds a bit of moisture into your hands, a bit of hydration. I then like to grab something that's jelly-like. Usually I tend to have aloe vera gel, but I'm currently using this because that's what I have in my cupboard now. And you just want to keep packing in a lot of moisture. That's what keeps the hands looking plump for as long as possible and will give you that look like you've just had a manicure in the salon. As a last step, I will be mixing in a bit of a hand balm, a hand lotion that is, and a few drops of oil, and just working that into my skin, giving myself about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget, this is less than 10 minutes to fabulous hands. So giving myself about 2 to 3 minutes, working in that lotion and the oil into my hand, getting to every bit, focusing on my wrists, my cuticles. And then because we have to rush, blot off the excess. And look at that. Gorgeous, plumped, fresh hands. They look like I have had a 1 hour manicure. Don't you just love that? I do. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Ijeoma, and I'll see you soon.